Hi, this is UX design class. We are just giving you overview about UX. What is UX? User experience design is the process design teams use to create products that provide meaningful and relevant experience to users. Here are the 7 things which influence user experience: valuable, accessibility, desirable, credible, findable, usable, and useful. Useful: a product need to be simple, easy to use, and familiar to user. Usable: a product must fill a need. If the product isn't filling a perceived gap in the user's lives, then there is no real reason for them to use it. Findable: if the user has a problem with a product, they should be able to quickly find a solution. Credible: the company and its products need to be trustworthy. Desirable: the visual aesthetics of the product need to be attractive and evoke positive emotions. Accessible: the product or service need to be accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. Valuable: finally, the product must deliver value. It must deliver value to the business which creates it and to the user who buys or uses it. It's a short overview of UX. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.